Ugh, that alarm clock is getting on my nerves. Anyways, time to wake up and get ready for school. Wait, it's April Fool's Day. I'm going to pull the fire alarm as a prank. Ha 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 ha. And I don't care if the sign says not to do it. I'll get out of here before I get caught.
It's the fire alarm. Class, get in line, single file.
So, ma'am, where's the fire?
I don't know. Wait, there's never a fire. Someone pulled the fire alarm as a prank. Who could have done such a thing?
Hey Mrs. Martin and Mr. and Mrs. Firefighter, I know who could have done this. It was classic Caillou. He's always do pranks on April Fool's Day.
What, that troublemaker brat? Classic Caillou, get over here right this instant.
Yes, teacher.
The fire alarm went off. Did you pull it?
As a matter of fact, yes.
Why?
April Fools, ha 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 ha, I pulled the fire alarm as a prank, ha.
What kind of doofus would think that would be funny to pull the alarm as a prank on April Fool's Day?
Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm as a prank? That's it, I'm calling your parents. You're expelled for a month. Go home right this instant.
Hey Classic Caillou, instead of grounding you like usually, I got you a gift.
Wow, thanks Mom, but where's Dad?
Your father's at work. Open the present, Classic Caillou.
Okay Mom.
April Fools. Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school today? You know that fire alarms are only for emergencies only. That's so it. You're grounded until March 2026. Go to your room right this instant, and think about what you have done.
Wow. Oh, no, he got pranked and grounded. Wow.